Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer from Phantom wallet to Bybit. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to simply open your Phantom wallet application. Once you have successfully logged into your Phantom wallet account, after that you just need to simply tap on the send button. First of all, here you will need to select any preferred currency you are using in order to transfer from Phantom wallet to Bybit application. In this video I'm using Solana. In this search bar you have to simply search for Solana and select this Solana currency. After that, here you will need the depositing address of Solana from your Bybit application. In order to do that, minimize your Phantom wallet and open your Bybit application. Now once you have successfully logged into your Bybit application, after that you just need to simply tap on the assets tab at the bottom right corner, and after that click on this deposit button, and now select the payment method. So click on the deposit crypto, and here in the search bar you have to simply search for Sol and select the Solana. Now select the network, so select same network on both sides, so tap on the Solana, and here you can see your Solana wallet address along with the QR code. So simply copy this address, and after copying, reopen Phantom wallet, authenticate again, and paste this address from clipboard to this toolbar. After that, simply tap the next button, and it will ask you to enter the amount of Solana you are transferring into your Bybit account. So for example 20. And after entering the amount, simply click on the next button at the bottom. It will take up to 5 to 10 minutes to transfer your Solana from Phantom wallet to Bybit application, and that's how you can transfer from Phantom wallet to Bybit. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.